Today, we're diving into 50 fascinating facts about lobsters that will completely change how you see them. Let's get started. 1. Lobsters are marine crustaceans known for their hard shells and large claws. 2. They belong to the group of animals called decapods, meaning 10-footed. 3. Most lobsters live on the ocean floor, hiding in crevices and rocky habitats. 4. There are two main types, clawed lobsters and spiny lobsters. 5. Clawed lobsters are the ones most people eat, especially in North America. 6. Lobsters can live for decades. Some may exceed 50 years in the wild. 7. Scientists once believed they could live forever, but they do age eventually. 8. They never stop growing throughout their lives. 9. Instead of growing continuously, they grow by molting their shells. 10. Molting is when they shed their old shell and form a new one. 11. Lobsters don't have a centralized brain like humans. Their nervous system is spread out. 12. They can regenerate lost limbs, including claws and antennae. 13. A lobster can regrow an entire claw over several molting cycles. 14. They have highly sensitive chemical sensors on their legs and antennae. 15. These sensors help them taste and smell the water. 16. Lobsters are not silent. They can make grunting and scraping sounds. 17. They produce sounds by rubbing body parts together, called stridulation. 18. Despite their reputation, lobsters are not aggressive hunters. 19. They are mostly nocturnal, coming out at night to search for food. 20. They prefer to scavenge rather than actively hunt prey. 21. Lobsters have blue blood due to a copper-based molecule called hemocyanin. 22. When cooked, their blood turns white and their shell turns red. 23. Their shell is made of a tough material called chitin. 24. They have two different types of claws, crusher and cutter claws. 25. Crusher claws are used for breaking shells, cutter claws for slicing. 26. Lobsters can live in both shallow coastal waters and deep oceans. 27. Some species can be found more than 500 meters deep. 28. Their eyes are compound, similar to insects. 29. They don't see color well, but detect motion effectively. 30. Lobsters breathe through gills located under their shells. 31. Lobsters are masters of camouflage, blending with rocks and seafloors. 32. They can survive missing multiple limbs and still function normally. 33. If threatened, they can drop a claw to escape predators. 34. That lost claw will regrow over time. 35. Lobsters are territorial and often fight for hiding spots. 36. Larger lobsters usually win fights by using their stronger crusher claws. 37. They communicate using chemical signals released in urine. 38. Yes, lobsters literally pee to communicate. To talk to each other. 39. Their exoskeleton provides both protection and structural support. 40. Without it, they would be extremely vulnerable. 41. Lobsters were once considered food for prisoners and the poor. 42. In the 1800s, they were so abundant they were fed to servants in some regions. 43. Today, they are considered a luxury seafood item. 44. Their popularity increased due to changes in transportation and refrigeration. 45. The lobster fishing industry is a major economy in places like Maine and Canada. 46. Lobsters can grow back their stomach, brain parts, and eyes over time. 47. Their shells can change color slightly depending on diet. 48. Some lobsters are rare colors like blue, yellow, or even albino. 49. Blue lobsters occur in about 1 in 2 million. 50. Despite their toughness, lobsters are extremely sensitive to water quality changes. So the next time you see a lobster, remember, it's not just seafood, it's a living fossil-like survivor with incredible biology, strange communication methods, and a life story that spans decades under the ocean.